Show me thumb if you can see the screen. Good, good. So today, let us practice the life cycle of a what is date today? 7th August. No need of writing beta. Listen carefully, okay? 7th August. And this is our classwork. Let us see the duck. Okay, life cycle of a duck. As we have discussed the life cycle of a duck. First, what we have taken, you can make some circles. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So round and round, yes, round and round. First, let us take egg. You can take egg or you can take hen, your wish. First, whatever you want to take, you can take any bird, any animal, or okay, any egg. So now I am going to take here egg. Next, after egg, what is the next thing? Can you tell me? Yes, small baby. Can you tell me, beta? Small baby grows in the egg and it comes out of an egg. It comes out of the egg. So what shall we take? Now we will take the life cycle of duck. Let us take the life cycle of duck. So here what we have to do now, we have to draw a duck. Okay. Egg. Let us take the egg first. So what comes from the egg? Yes. What comes from the egg? A duckling. Duckling means baby of a duck. Yes. A duckling. Duckling comes out of the egg. Duckling comes out of the egg. Then what happened after coming out of the egg? What the duckling will do? It will eat grains. It will eat grains. It will eat grains. Small duckling. You can see here. Small duckling. It is eating grains. Small duckling eat grains and it grows. Duckling eats food and grows. Duckling eats food and grows. What is the next one? After small duckling, when it is eating and growing, what does it become? It becomes a big duck. It becomes a big, yes, it becomes a big duck. Big duck. and it starts again laying eggs. It starts again laying eggs. Duckling grows and lay eggs. Again the same process. Egg. This egg will become again duckling. Again duckling. Again it grows by eating food, and again after eating food it becomes a duck. It gives egg. This is the continuous process. It is a continuous process. It goes round and round like that. From egg we'll get bird, from bird we'll get egg, egg to bird, and bird to egg. You have to remember this. This is the continuous process of a bird. Now let us take the life cycle of a plant. Shall we take a life cycle of a plant, beta? Yes, let us discuss about the plant also. That also we have discussed earlier, right? So now once again let us see the life cycle of a plant or life cycle of a seed. Anybody have any doubt in life cycle of a duck? You can take any bird. Life cycle of a duck, life cycle of hen, life cycle of pigeon or parrot, any bird you can take or any animal you can take. Okay? You can take the life cycle. You can see that is a continuous process. Now, let us see the life cycle of a plant. Life cycle of a plant. So here what we can take the first. First, let us take the seed. You should able to draw this in your notebook. Okay? You should draw. You have to learn drawing. The life cycle of bird or a plant, both. That is very important. Now let us see the life cycle of a plant. First, let us take seed. Let us take a seed. Seeds. One or two or three or four, anything you can take seeds. What is this? These are seeds. Then if we sow the seed in the soil, if we sow the seed, if we plant this seeds in the soil, what happens? A baby plant grows from the seed. A baby plant grows from the seed. Yes, and you'll get here some roots from the seed. Next one. Yes, here seed starts to grow. You can see slowly, slowly the seed is growing. Seeds start to grow. Next one, the seed becomes a big plant. Here what happens? It will become a big plant now. You can see so many leaves. Slowly, slowly, it grows and it becomes a big plant. Then after becoming a big plant, what is the next step? It starts bearing fruits and flowers, flowers and fruits. Yes. You can see some flowers. Then these flowers will bear the fruits. Fruits means like beans, okay, or any vegetable or any fruit which you eat, okay. So now here we are taking bean. Bean. And what do you see in the bean? You can see some seeds. You can see some seeds. Again, these seeds, we have to remove these seeds from the fruit and we will plant these seeds again in the soil to grow a plant. So this is a life cycle of a plant. Are you getting, children? Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? Show me thumb. Show me thumb. Yes. Did you understand the life cycle of a plant? You can see first seeds. Now you understood now how big plants, how plants and trees grows from a seed? Yes. What does a plant need to grow, beta? What does a plant need to grow? Plant need water, air, sunlight to grow. Yes. Now everyone take out your course Global English page number 72. Take out Global English, take beta. Global English page number 72. Yes. In page number 72 here, growing vegetables. Growing vegetables. You can see here, lots of vegetables are grown on this farm. There is a farm. You can see lots of vegetables are there on this farm. Some vegetables growing above the ground and some vegetables are growing under the ground. You can see there. See, above the ground and under the ground. What are the vegetables you can see above the ground? You can see above the ground are tomatoes, peppers, beans. Tomatoes, peppers, beans. These vegetables are growing above the ground. And what are the vegetables? Which vegetables are growing under the ground? Carrot, onions, potatoes. You can see they are under the ground, under the soil. You can see there. Carrot, onions, potatoes. These are shown in the picture which are growing under the ground. Can you see there? Did you get the page number 72? Everyone, are you there? Yes? Have you taken the page number 72? Look into your book. Look into your book. Very good. So 6 vegetables are given there on the farm. And now carrots, onions, potatoes are grown under the ground. And next 3 tomatoes, peppers and beans are grown above the ground. Now you see, ask questions about the pig. Make sure you can ask these some questions to your partners or to your brothers and sisters, those who are there at home. Are the carrots growing under the ground? You can also ask some questions to your parents or you can ask some to your brothers and sisters. Yes, are the carrots growing under the ground? If it is correct, show me thumb. If it is not correct, you can show down your thumb. You can do like this. Are the carrots growing under the ground? Yes, they are growing under the ground. Yes, they are. Is the girl picking a pepper? Is the girl picking a pepper? No. She's picking a tomato. She's picking tomato. No, she isn't. No, she isn't. Now, you have to do this activity. Everyone has to do this activity at home. What you have to do? You have to take a disposal glass. Take a disposal glass or any waste water bottle. With the help of your mother, cut that water bottle. If you don't have water bottle, you can take a small disposal glass. Okay. And fill that glass with some cotton. Some cotton. Okay. And put some seeds in that cotton. You have to put some seeds in that cotton. Any seeds, mustard or any seed, okay, which is available at your home. Coriander seeds or mustard seeds, okay, or anything, okay. What is available, you just find out with your parents and find the seeds. And you have to first take the cotton, fill the cotton in the disposal glass and pour some water, make it wet. Cotton should be wet and drop some seeds in that cotton. If you are interested, instead of cotton, you can also take some soil. If soil is available, you can fill your glass with soil and so plant some seeds in that soil and observe it. How many days it takes to germinate a seed? When the seed starts to grow, no, a baby plant comes out of a seed, then that is called a germination of seed. Germination of seed. So you have to see it. How many days it takes to grow a plant from the seed? When the baby plants come out of the glass, come out of the soil, you have to share that plant picture with me by Monday. Today it's Friday, so today you have to do this activity. So 3 days, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, 3 days, it is enough to grow a plant from the seed. So Monday you have to share the pic with me, your plant pic. Done? Are you ready for this activity? Are you ready for the activity? Everyone? Those, yes, only Sai Joshit I can see, Arhan I can see, they are showing thumb. What about others? You are not interested to do this activity? Yes. So you have to do this activity and observe it. You have to observe every day. You have to pour some water. You have to sprinkle, don't fill the glass with lots of water. You have to sprinkle just, okay? Sprinkle the water on the soil, make it wet and observe it daily. You have to see how plants are growing from a seed. Okay? Now, take page number 79. 79 of Global English. '79 of Global English. See, the boy. Here is the boy. He is doing the same activity. He has planted some seeds in the soil. Can you see there? Page number 79 of Global English. Page number 79. See there? Now, see, the boy is also planted some seeds in the soil. And he is watering the plants. You can see there. And he is singing the poem. So now you have to learn this poem and you have to hold this plant in your hand, your plant. By Monday, your plant will be ready, no? So you have to hold that plant in your hand and you have to sing this poem. Take a video. Take a video and send it to me. Ready? So let us read the poem. My garden. Start reading My Garden. Read, everyone. I can see your lip movements. Come on, fast. My garden.
My garden.
My garden.
Garden.
Okay. Dig a little hole.
Dig
Dig a little hole.
a little hole.
Plant a little seed.
Plant a little seed.
A little hole.
A little hole. A little hole.
Plant a little seed. Plant a little seed. Come on, read.
Plant dig a little hole.
Plant a little seed. Once again. A little hole. Plant a little seed.
Pour a little water.
Pour a little water. A little weed. Pull a little weed. What is the meaning of weed?
Choose a little bug.
What is the meaning of weed? W-E-E-D, weed. The unwanted grass. Grass. The waste grass which is grown near the plant which you have planted. Okay, that is called a weed. Pull a little weed. Chase a little bug. Where did it go? Chase a little bug. Small insect. Bug means very, very small insect. Chase means run after. Run after the bug. Chase. What is the meaning of chase? Run after something. So here the boy is running after what? A little bug. Chase a little bug. Where did it go? Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun. Watch my garden grow. Watch my garden grow. Come on, everyone, start reading now. You can unmute yourself and start reading. Come on. Dig a little hole, plant a little seed.
Plant a little seed.
Pour a little water,
Pour a little water.
Ronald, pour a little water, pull a little water.
Here's a little
Chase a little bug. Where did it go? Next, here comes the sun.
My garden grow.
Watch my garden grow.
My garden grow. What? My garden grow.
Very good, very good. So now, what is your homework? Tell me. You have to plant a seed.
I'm not going to talk from this. Read it quick, Radha.
What is the activity I have given you? Plant a seed. Okay. And learn the poem.
Entala?
Homework. Plant a seed. Tell me. Plant a seed. Tell beta everyone. Plant a seed.